CamaroFest Saturday. We're gonna do a pickup race here. Heads up, Hammerdown Motorsports. Steve Fast, he's in the car next to me here. We're both running around the same time, mid to high 11s, so it should be a good competitive race. Hopefully I can pull this off. This car is capable of turning a little bit faster speeds, but being an M6, he's still working on the launch, but he's consistently improving, so we're right about neck and neck. So I guess the launch and the reaction time will tell the story today. And just want to thank Steve for go ahead and accepting the call out that I made a while back. Hopefully we'll do okay. Joanne's around the corner.
Well guys, welcome to CamaroFest, and we are underway with distance testing soon in 2 and 3. So you're going to see a variety of different cars. So got some word up here. There's going to be a slight change in the program, but it's going to be for your viewing pleasure. So some of the shop cars that you've seen have taken the #1 qualifying spots that basically are their not necessarily our customers' cars, but basically their own personal cars that these guys have built to display that and show you what they can do at the shop. They're going to pull out of some of these classes, and they're going to pull out and give you as a competitor just an equal chance to race your car. And then we are going to have a shop car shootout. We're going to pull those cars aside and basically let them run each other. So you can really
go, baby, go!
Some people knew about this race, that it was coming up. I did a call out a couple months ago, so we had it planned to really be able to run at CamaroFest. We did see each other and talk about a few things over at the YouTube call out in Galat. I want to thank Steve for accepting my call out and running the race. He had some faster times, I had some faster times. I had a little bit of a slow reaction time for sure on that race there, but it still worked out pretty good. I did get a chance to talk to Steve quite a bit, and he has a really nice car. That Vortex supercharger really is sweet. He's got a lot of nice mods to his car, a lot of nice how-tos on his YouTube channel. So if you haven't checked out his YouTube channel, go ahead. There'll be a link at the end of the video so that you can go ahead and check him out, subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it, also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time, and our viewers are really great. I really appreciate each and every one of you and your time to look at my videos. So we had a great time. Again, thanks Steve, and we'll see you again soon, and I'm sure we're going to have a rematch. I'll see you at the track.